Today we are in Niagara Falls, Ontario, Canada. Looking out across the Niagara Gorge, spanning the border between the province of Ontario in Canada and the state of New York in the United States. 682,000 gallons of water flows over the Horseshoe Falls every second, whereas 76,000 gallons of water flows over the American and Bridal Falls. We are here to view the premier and most spectacular of waterfalls along the Niagara Escarpment, which runs from here to Tobermory, Ontario, and beyond. There are three falls at Niagara. The Canadian or Horseshoe Falls, shown here, and the American Falls and Bridal Falls being the other two shown in the distance. The larger American Falls is on the left and the Bridal Falls is on the right, with the small Luna Island separating them.